How to fix Facebook featured photo not appearing. So if you're unable to get the Facebook feature photos on your Facebook profile, then that might be due to various reason. So in order to fix that, make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is, if you have got weak internet connection, then you won't be able to load the feature collection of your Facebook. For that, you have to swipe down your notification panel and you have to check whether your internet connection is strong. If you are connected with cellular data, then make sure the network connection is strong. Once you're sure that it's not a problem, then you will be able to fix that problem. But if you are still unable to do so, then you just have to go back and you have to open up to apps, and here just press and hold over Facebook and go for app info. Under here you have to go for storage and cache and simply clear the cache. By doing that also, you'll be able to refresh your Facebook application and you can once again find out the feature collection of Facebook. And the last fix is, you have to update your Facebook. For that, you have to open up and go for Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar and search for Facebook. And here Facebook update is available in over here. You just have to tap over there and you have to update Facebook. After updating, you'll be able to get the feature for having the feature collection on Facebook. So with these fixes, you'll be able to fix Facebook feature photos not appearing. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.